see the problem.
You've got a 50-50 chance of getting it right, folks.
Well, we've made a bobber. Extra tight.
Yeah, but you're just good at that. Your little fingers.
Oh, I just brought...
Marshmallows for you. What happens next, Jace?
There's... No.
I know. Oh yeah, that's so there's a bolt over here.
Yeah. Was it loose?
Congratulations, that's the first bolt nut I've undone on this bike that's actually quite tight.
I don't think,
Okay, all right.
Jason. I don't think. Can I just say something? I don't think a can is going to replicate comb that well that you're going to go blended in beautifully. You could hardly
I'll
tell.
try and blend it.
So what we got down
we'll
here
try it out.
is a CB360 original guard. That I'm sorry for the fans out there that are a bit worried about what we're going to do here with it, but we're just going to spray a bit of this stuff on.
Oh my goodness. Actually, I didn't spray it very well because...
Do you want to spray this bit down here that's got that's been buffed up? Okay, now we'll leave it to dry and we'll come back with better lighting soon.
Fantastic.
Is it? It might be an absolute disaster.
Right, the next stage is we're going to remove this back end, we decided. So we're just going to come here very carefully and just nick that cable tie off. And we'll just open her up and just have a little look and see what's going on. Oh, this has come out already, look. This
Everything on this bike is loose.
So, orange is your left indicator. That'll be the live wire, would it, Jace?
Yes, it would.
Thank you.
Was that loose?
No, it wasn't actually, Jace. Don't you hate it when you think you've got it
I know.
enough to take? It comes out through a rubber grommet here. We've got a little wire.
Just move your hand out. Yeah, oh yes, that's... Okay, so that's got a little Utilux terminal on it, crimped for the earth.
Right.
Okay.
So this wire is connected to the frame here. It's just literally threaded through and just sitting there. And this gets through into this black. Oh. You know the screw's tight, eh, when you feel it in your chookies. I mean, something went...
Oh, I knew it was tight when you went, ooh.
Yeah, something was a little bit of an extra. Right, here we go. Notice how these have been put on upside down, where the nut is at the top, not that way.
Exactly, someone's fiddled with that.
Someone's been here before, and I did the same with this one. That's had a bit of a someone's had a bit of a play with the old bullet connections here. Just having a feel up here.
Oh.
Right, they go through a channel, and then we've got these three wires here to contend with. Someone's had a bit of a go with the cable tie again. So we've got three wires.
One's ground.
Brown to loose. Brown to brown.
Striped green.
To striped green. These are not even crimped properly. This is probably an earth, because it remember had the black
That's right.
to it as well. So now we've got the three wires off there. Congratulations, that's the first bolt and nut I've undone on this bike that's actually quite tight.
Oh, I love the
Crack.
crack. I love the crack.
Right, so now what we've got here, oh, we've got this bar. Something's happening. Watch the old man go flying backwards here. Maybe we should spray it with something. Not too sure yet, hang on. They're in the way, I'd say. We'll take a short intermission break and be back to you shortly. So here we are at the paint shop, and I thought we'd just come in and have a look how he's getting on with the painting. Good old metal tank, eh? Look at that. Awesome. So as you can see, the components are getting ready for the big spray up, and we're just getting it all ready
inside the panel beater shop here, and side panels are hollow, speedo bezels, headlight bucket, chain guard, and that glorious tank. I've got all these power tools in the garage. I could just go zzz, zzz, zzz. You realise that, don't you?
I do, but I like the ratchet.
Yeah, and the whole ass end will fall off. Okay, here we go. Now let's see if it will just... Oops. I just need a stone on my carpeted garage.
Ooh. It's just tight.
Yeah,
Keep wriggling.
it's been painted obviously when it's been... Look at this, they've got this little... Those experts that do this, you know, a lot are probably saying, what a numbnut, he's doing it completely the wrong way. Got it to there. I don't think there's anything else holding it. It just needs the old... Surely that would come out.
Oh, I see the problem.
What's the problem? Good.
Right here,
Yeah.
it's hitting up against this chrome
Oh yes.
on both sides.
Yes.
So I think what we need to do is disconnect these two bolts just here
Yes, good.
and release that, and then the guard will fall down. And then that'll come out separate.
Yeah, okay.
We're actually doing it backwards. Right.
That's okay. Wrong way. You've got a 50-50 chance of getting it right, folks, and it's loose. It's bloody loose. Look. It's finger tight. So what we've done is we realised that we didn't need to remove these bolts, so I've tightened them back on again because this is actually just a U-shaped channel. We've undone as many bolts as we can. Virtually this is ready to come out now, but I've got under here, I've got these wires that have been threaded through a this is ready, thread through a channel.
And two. Look at that.
Now that comes out, and then this can be released.
Well done.
Ta-da! Right, we'll stop it there for a moment.
Well, we've made a bobber.
Yeah.
We just happen to be missing a front end.
I've noticed some damage here that I didn't do, so we're going to get another plate. In New Zealand, you can actually just get another plate by simply saying that you've had your one damaged. Yeah, see, you've got those appliance hands, haven't you?
Mm.
See the way they come out? They have that little bit. I'm trying to get some footage in.
Yeah.
Right, so just to recap, the little flat bits are on the side.
Facing the number plate.
Yep.
Now, I think these, are they longer? Nope, so they're all the same.
All the same. Sandfly went up my mouth. Would you say it's a lubricant as well?
Very much a lubricant. Again, flat side to the number plate.
Flat side's the number plate, right, thank you. Gosh, you're grunting a lot, isn't it?
This one's extra tight.
Yeah, but you're just good at that. Your little fingers, fingers
look at
work
that.
like magic. Look at that. Thank you so much.
More than welcome.
Yeah. And then, obviously, there's no guesswork here involved. Brown goes to brown, and green goes to green. Pull the wires through here, like one at a time, and then we're going to have a
Two more rubbers to remove.
two more rubbers to remove. For those who don't know this, Jason has been using his hands as a living for the last 20 years. Shall I tell him 20 or 25 or 30?
Just
Right.
keep quiet.
Okay, look at that. Now that's ready for a bit of a sand up and a paint up, and that'll make it look all pretty again.
Well, what a mission tonight just to get that off.
Yeah, but this is what it's all about, Jace.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Right, good.
Okay, I have just tidied up the rear tail light surround with some amazing chrome paint. Gave it a bit of a sand up, primer, and then painted it. It just looks fantastic. This bike is really coming together. Same with the back guard, bit of sand, chrome paint, got rid of that pitted rust. It's fantastic. Oh, hold on, what's going on over here? Oh, hello,
hello.
a package.
I've got another package that's going to arrive from Australia.
Oh, Australia?
Yeah.
Oh, you
Get
brought...
marshmallows for you.
Wow. Look at that.
Good afternoon. So today's project is we're going to remove the header pipes and the exhaust. And I've got no idea how to do it, so I'm just going to undo bolts and see what happens.
We probably really shouldn't say that, but I thought we
Oh,
were
sorry.
professionals.
We're professionals at this. So we're just going in here and... That was loose. This one I have actually loosened a second ago just to make sure I had the right socket on. So, right. So I've got that off and that off. What happens next, Jace?
There's... No.
I know. Oh yeah, that's loose. So there'll be a bolt under here.
Yeah.
to do.
Was it loose?
Yeah, it was actually loose.
Oh my god, one bolt.
There's supposed to be two here, look. On the original pipes there's two. Right, let's see what happens here. With
Oh, that was
so easy. Oh, it's buggered, you're going to say in there.
No, it looks good.
Yeah, oh, it's all pitted and horrible. Oh yeah, so I'm going to pop those back on there because I like to do that. Right, so before he comes back, he's just whipped out to do something. There's a slight cock up on this that I'm trying to fix. I thought this was going to be a really fast, easy job of just undoing a couple of bolts and slip out the exhaust pipe. But I've come across this slight dilemma. I'll just try if I can alter the camera down a bit and show you. So got it? The exhaust pipe is trapped between my brake and I don't think I can... Oh, I might be able to... Not a problem. I've released it. Cool. I thought there for a moment I would have had to take off the exhaust pipe there, but I didn't have to, so that's good news. Oh, he's just walked in now. Hello.
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 What's happened? Oh my god, it's off.
We had a slight sort of manipulation to get it past the brake lever, but I managed to do it with all my strength. So, Jace, has my bike got a cold or something? What's going on here?
No,
with
so
it?
what we've done is we've stuck a couple of little raggies in the...
Hey, PC. Are you allowed to call them raggies?
Oh, sorry. Rags.
Okay.
Rags. A couple
Yeah.
of green rags just to keep the moisture out of the head.
Oh, wow, okay. Yeah, no, that's...
It's so cold in this garage.
yeah, no, I see. So nice. Okay.
And also we can't drop anything in it too.
Well, I guess
Mention it.
I'm going to call that a KGT tip.
That's a great tip.